In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to reset your Affinity Designer application settings back to factory defaults. This can be particularly useful if you're experiencing issues with the app or simply want to start fresh with a clean slate. The process is straightforward, and I'm here to guide you through each step, ensuring you understand everything as we go along. The first thing you need to do is make sure Affinity Designer is completely closed. If it's running, go ahead and shut it down to ensure our reset process starts off on the right foot. This step is crucial because having the application open while attempting to reset can cause conflicts or errors. Now, depending on your operating system, this next part will be slightly different. If you're using a Windows computer, you'll want to hold down the Control key. For those on Mac OS, you'll need to press and hold the Command key instead. Once you're holding the appropriate key, go ahead and relaunch Affinity Designer. You should now see a dialog box that pops up, which will be labeled something like Clear User Data or maybe Reset Application to Defaults. This is the heart of the process, where you can select which settings or data you wish to revert to their original state. In this dialog box, you'll find several options. These could include choices like resetting the user interface, clearing custom brushes, reverting presets, and more. Take a moment to consider which of these you want to reset. If you're experiencing a broad range of issues, you might opt to reset everything. However, if your problems are more specific, you can choose to reset only those particular areas. After you've made your selection, look for a button labeled Clear or something similar. Clicking this will instruct Affinity Designer to reset the selected items back to their default settings. Be mindful that depending on your choices, you may need to redo some of your previous customizations later. Once you've completed this process, go ahead and relaunch the application as you usually would. At this point, Affinity Designer should open with the default settings restored for the items you chose to reset. You'll notice that any changes you made to those settings will have reverted, hopefully resolving any issues you were facing or providing you a fresh platform from which to work. And there you are, all set with a refreshed Affinity Designer, ready to continue designing with an uncluttered and renewed toolkit. It's a simple yet effective way to troubleshoot problems and ensure your workflow is as efficient as possible. Thank you for watching, and happy designing.